been working so hard to get you out my head, but I can't stop my thinking of the words that you have said. You told me that you loved me, how could I forget? Now it's spinning around inside my head. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my house. Throw another log on, is what she said to me. Just because the stars out doesn't mean we need to sleep. So I wrote her a love song to show her how I feel, to tell her she is all I ever need. So I hold on however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my arms. That you'll be in my arms.
A little bit harder. See, they're not going in properly. Right on the box tray, right on the edge there, look. Lovely. So I've had for you to do there. If you give me that back. So what you do is turn it on this side and just tap it. Yeah. So look, turn it on that side because that's why that's done heavy like. So if they don't go all the way in, just turn it on the side, pump it down. Stay there where you are. So you'll be sitting on one end with pegs of line. So let's get ourselves organised for that.
How many did you say? 15?
Well, we're going to need 15 battens that are cut to 130s, all right? So we could use that as a spacer, like you say. Just to make things a little bit quicker. We only need to cut 15 of these. We've got 3 already. Do you know what? It's been raining for weeks. And everything's saturated. These boards, I've had to throw salt all over them because it's slippery as anything. So that's why I'm telling Tracy to take her time with everything she's doing. And I have as well, because I was the one that fell off the scaffold last time. Ain't funny. Well, it weren't funny at the time.
You did laugh after.
I did laugh after.
It wasn't me, it was you. I did laugh. I didn't
The
laugh.
good thing is I eat a lot, so I've got plenty of security around me, so I bounce a little bit. Another one, the one you just done there. Oh yeah, we're going to keep that, are we?
Yeah.
They're a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So we've got
3,
4, 5, 6.
6. Yeah.
Yeah. Roughly.
Everything is soaking wet. I can feel it.
Yeah. So
It is
everything's soaking wet.
soaking wet. Look.
This timber is actually soaked through.
Look at my hand.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a true saying, when you live in Normandy, it never rains, it pours.
It always pours.
You never have a tiny shower.
How many is that?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2 more of these then. Anyway, that's
Oh, I can't believe how wet this is.
these are just the battens going up. And what I'm doing is I'm laying one membrane down first, battens up to the 120 mark from the top. On your membrane you get all these markings set for you, and then that allows me to go up a few more of these rungs, if you like, to lay the next sheet and work the same way, methodically, slowly. If I was here with my son and a couple of his workers that we worked with in the past, we'd all be dashing up there quickly and doing the job. Well, I wouldn't be so much, but they would.
Because they're young and they're nimble.
Well, they're young, it's how I used to be.
Yeah.
But
You're doing brilliant, Budo, now. For
well,
your
no, I
age.
know we've got to do it, haven't we? We've got no choice. But
Dare I say it?
well, we pay out all the money we've got left and get someone else to do it.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
Because
That's
Budo
up
loves
to-
doing
one more, yeah,
everything
Trey?
himself. Yeah.
Yeah, if I could do it myself, I'd rather do it myself.
Budo tells me nearly every day that he's a senior citizen now.
Yeah. So my birthday was on the 26th, right? And I looked it up on the internet and it says I'm now classed as a senior citizen.
Of course, I'm a few years off of that.
And I'll tell you what, when I read them words, my heart sunk. I went, oh no, I've got there already.
But you've had a good life, haven't you? That's the main
Yeah, I hope
thing.
I still have a good life for a few more years, Trace, if you don't mind.
No, what I didn't mean.
You've had a good life. Bye, Spooko. We've got the milkman coming round or something.
You've had a good life so far.
So far, I want no regrets. No regrets. So how
have-
many have we got now? 15?
3 lovely children,
9 beautiful grandchildren.
So we can't complain.
Won't complain. Right,
But we do.
let's start the battens over this side first.
I just wanted to share with you all some of the lovely items I have made for my Etsy shop. They're all handmade, except these. They're small organza sachet bags, but they're all made by me here at French Farmhouse Diaries. The lavender that I used to fill the bags was grown by myself and Budo here. We harvest, dry it ourselves and fill these wonderful handmade items. These are called lavender eye pillows. These are perfect. Myself and Budo have one as well. You know, if you're relaxing in the evening or in the day, you feel like you've got a migraine coming on, you just lay it across your eyes and just inhale and exhale, and the smell of the lavender really, really relaxes you. These actually come on their own. You can buy them like this, or you can buy them in sets of 2. They also come, this is nice I think for Christmas, with a small sachet bag and with the lavender eye pillow. There's different types of fabric. This is one of my favourite because I love blue, everything blue and white china, blue and white fabric. So I think these are lovely as well. And the iconic fabric from the Chateau Farmhouse bedroom. I made sachet bags last year which were a limited edition. They all sold out, so you can buy them as pairs as well, in the blue shade. And also I think these are super cute if you want to buy like presents for Christmas. These come in sets of 3, and these also you can buy one bundle on their own, or you can buy 2 or 4, so they're perfect, you know, for Christmas presents. And these are the same, but these are single sachets, and these come in various fabrics. Oh, they smell just divine here as well, which I think are lovely neutral colours. And as well, little small sachet bags, the iconic Chateau Farmhouse fabric, which is absolutely love it. I love that one. And these are perfect. I think these come in sets as well. These are nice for birthday, Christmas, for all year round, you know, if you want to put them in between your blankets, your linen, or put them on presents. They're nice just to tie to add a extra little bit of charm to a gift. These are also things I've handmade. These are crochet bags. This one comes with a fastener opening, and it's quite spacious inside. You can wear it on your shoulder, or the strap extends this way, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag, so it's perfect. I like these as well. These are a new addition this year, clutch bag. This is actually made from raffia. These are all handmade by myself with a lovely lining inside. You can actually attach a strap on there, but if you are interested in buying this bag and would like a strap, then you can direct message me on Etsy. These are beautiful. These are very spacious. The Kiss Lock Granny Square shoulder and crossbody bag, and as well the colour of the fabric contrasts well. I don't know if you can see that. This is the same. It can be worn as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So you've got that in the blue granny squares, blue, green, buttercup colour. And this is probably my favourite, this one. That's got a lovely contrasting pink lining. They're very spacious inside. Again, you can wear this on your shoulder or as a crossbody. I'll have to extend the strap. But I think they'll make perfect gifts. And of course, Christmas is coming up and some people have birthdays in December. So if you're interested in buying any of these or need to message me about any of these items, then head along to the Etsy shop. The link will be in the comment section of the video, and also in the about section and in the description of the video.
So, good morning. We've been down this road before, haven't we? Wake up in the morning, there's snow everywhere. So we've had weeks of rain. Okay. 2 days ago it went -3, 4 and stayed like that for a couple of days. So no respite, it just went from rain to freezing cold. And I won't be going up there today. If you look up on the roof up there, look, let's zoom you in a bit. You can see that the battens of felt that I've done are covered over with snow. And it'd be way too slippery to go on that scaffold, but yeah. So let's hope this falls away quickly and we can get on in the next day or two. It is pretty to look at, especially when you look over the long fields. Let's have a look over here, 1 sec. And it's hard as well, it's crunchy. So it snowed early and then it went icy all night. But it's pretty looking, but it's horrible, really, if you know what I mean. Cold. Chessie likes it, look. She's having a little roll in the snow. Anyway, let's take her for a morning walk and look for a job indoors to do. Hey, the things we've got to deal with, eh?
I know.
If it ain't raining, it's snowing.
But look, Budo, the sun is shining.
Yeah, but that's false pretenses. That'll shine for about a day. This will all fall off and then it'll start raining again.
Keep it going, you're doing a great job.
Have you noticed though, this side stayed protected?
Yep,
Started
because,
getting the felts up.
yep, which you'll see in this video.
So here we go, house stones now. When you're up on the roof, the last thing you want to be is on the roof with this house stones.
We just had a bit of sunshine, a bit of chill, then tiny bit of rain, now hailstones. So
we're going to go and have a cup of tea now.
Yeah, safety first.
Have a cup of tea. So thanks for watching. Come and see us on the next one.